Okay, Kelly, I'm going to try and walk you through how I figured this out. First, I went to the Avery website. Then I moved the cursor over the header that says templates. Go down and click on Design and Print Online. And then this will open up another page. And at the bottom, towards the bottom here in this box, I'm going to put 8160 because that is the number of the labels that I am using to print the barcodes on, and then push go. Alright, so that'll bring up this page where if you want to print pretty labels, you have things to choose from, but we just want something basic. So click on this box up here that's already highlighted because it's plain, and then that brings up this page. And on this page over here where it says T, that's for text, we'll want to add a text box, and that's up here, the top one, add text box. So there's where you would type your text in. And the labels that we get from the warehouse, in this box is where they put $12 and then, or 15, whatever, and then the description of your product. So this is what the customer can see so they can tell how much it's going to be. And then after you get whatever you want into that box, and also over here on the left hand side, I put it on center because that centers it, and I don't know, I'm funny that way. So over here where it says more, click on more, and then right here where it says barcodes, click on barcodes, and then up here towards the top where it says QR codes, choose code 39, that's what they use there at the warehouse, and then click on create. So then that brings this pop-up up, and in here you want to put in this box right here, the empty box, your item number. So when I send the item numbers to them, our item numbers are like F107 for fall, you know, whatever the heck it is. But then when they put it in their computer, they start it with CHA, which is short for country home accents. So they use letters at the beginning of yours. And when you get the printout from them saying what you've sold, it will have the same 3 letters or so at the beginning of each of your item numbers. So that's how they sort out who's selling what. So in here we'll put CHA F107, for example. And then I click this, the thing I had to call help for today is unclick that use check digit, because that just goofed everything up. So when you send the Excel sheet to them and you give them your item numbers, what they do in their computer, they put it through a system that will, when they scan your barcode that we're creating now, and it says CHA F107, their system is able to, through something I can't understand, connect that to the pricing that you sent them. So that's their problem. This is the part we've got to figure out, and we did. So we've got the item number in there that their computer can interpret off of your Excel sheet, and clicked off the check digit and then push finish. Okay, so there's the barcode with the CHA F107. Okay, so that's what your thing will look like, and you can move this down if you want, and move this down, move the text box down. Easier said than done. So anyway, or you can make it, just make it bigger. I don't know, I can't do it with one hand. Alright, so here's what, this is what you want your sticker to look like. So go up to the corner here and push print. And then you want to print it yourself. You're not going to pay Avery to do it for you. And if you need 30, because this particular label comes 30 to a sheet, if you want 30, you'll do the full direction. But if you only want 12, then you'll do print, and then items number 1 through, and then click here on 12. And that'll show you the ones you'll use. And then if you have to do this again for another item number, keep track of the numbers that you've used on this, because you can feed the same sheet through the second time, and then that time you'll print from 13 to 24 if you want 12 of the next one. Okay, so you got that filled in, then print now, and this box will come up. Do you want to save or not save? And when I started with this Avery, I had to put in our email address and create a password. So if you save it, then the next time you go in, and you click on your saved materials, then it pops up and you just fill in the blanks. It's much easier the second time. But I'm going to put don't save because this is full of information I don't want. And that says you're ready to print. Now, if you don't want to download it onto your computer, just open a PDF, and that opens a whole nother web page that'll show how it's going to print your 12, what it'll look like. And there's no text up there because I didn't type any text in. And then push print, and it'll print them out, and you should be good. Now I think what I'm going to do is print some of these just on plain paper and send it to them and ask them to scan it to make sure that their scanners can read it properly. But my phone read it, and you know, my phone is never wrong. Alrighty, hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.